Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts. Today I want to warn you about the 3 costly mistakes that you can make before you purchase your new windows. Here we go. Mistake number 1 would be hiring a company that is not licensed, bonded, and insured. You want to make sure that the people that you're hiring to do the work is covered. They have their own insurances, their own bond, and they are definitely licensed to do this type of work. You don't want to have some group comes in and says, well, here's my city tax license and this is what we would refer as our license to do the work. That's not right. I mean, they're not licensed to actually do your window installation. That's just a city tax license, and some will try to use that as a way to get you to sign with them and hire them to do your window installation. Your license is one. The next thing would be your bond. So again, when you're hiring a group that is bonded, that bond covers you against anything that the guys might do while they're installing the windows. If they nick your floor or they break something of yours, if the group doesn't want to take care of it for some reason or another, you can always go to their bond, and that will take care of your issue. Mistake number 2 would be hiring an installation company without doing your research on said company. You want to make sure that whoever's going to do the installation, you have some kind of referrals. You can go online, you can look up all the reviews that you have or they have. You want to make sure that they are known for doing good work. They don't leave a customer hanging if there's a problem. Just doing some homework to make sure that the money that you're putting into your house to make it more beautiful and presentable is going to be going to the right group who's going to actually take good care of you. Definitely make sure you're doing your due diligence, doing homework on the company that is going to be doing the installation of your windows. And then mistake number 3 would be purchasing a very low quality window. You hear me talk about, if you've watched my videos, the difference in grades of vinyl windows. You have very, very low grades, you have mid grades, and then you have very high grades. If you're going in there and you see a very, very low price and you're like, well, that's what I want to go for. I want to go for the lowest possible price. And then after everything is installed, you realize that the windows that you have, you don't even like. And then also whenever you're looking at warranties, maybe you have a month or a 1-year warranty on your windows, and these things aren't even going to last that long. You'll start having problems right out of the gate, seal failures, everything. It'll really, really put a bad taste in your mouth. And it's just going to cost you thousands more in the end, because you're inevitably probably going to want to redo everything, and you can't go and say, well, I don't like these windows anymore, take them out of my house. Not without paying for brand new windows and then pulling everything out that you just had installed and then put in brand new windows. Think of the thousands of dollars that you are now going to have to reinvest into your house. So do your research and find a great window. I would always go with the premium style vinyl windows. They're going to be the best for components, for the glass, for the frames, and also the warranty. Make sure you have a full guaranteed life warranty on your windows. That will save you in the end. Okay guys, hopefully this helps you. If you have any questions, you can hit us up in the comment section. Like this video and subscribe if you want to see more, and we'll talk soon. Thank you. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Santa Barbara area and you are interested in getting replacement windows or doors, don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com. You can click on the Get a Free Quote and fill out that information. I'll reach out to you within 24 hours. Thank you so much.